Yeah, Carson. Hey, Sasha, do you see the chinchilla? Look at, there's a chinchilla right there. There's a chinchilla, Susie. Oh, Sasha. Look at it. You see, girls? Look at, there's a chinchilla right there. They got big ears compared to some other rodents. I think they're a rodent. Susie, you can come over here. Sasha, Susie, you might be interested. Oh, look, Parson, there's a guinea pig up on top. Sasha, Susie, come on over. Would you be interested in the birdies? Sasha, look at. Maybe Sasha's more into it then. Yeah, buddy. So this is just kind of. Do you see it, Susie? Sasha, are you licking something? Let's not eat anything.